Welcome to our guide on how to effectively retrieve contact information from social media. In today's interconnected world, knowing how to reach out to others is crucial. First, let's understand privacy settings. These can vary significantly between platforms, impacting what contact details are visible. Utilize the search function to look for emails or phone numbers, but remember, not everyone shares this information publicly. Next, analyze the bio sections. Many users include their contact info in creative ways. Look for clues and hints. When you feel it's appropriate, consider direct messaging to politely request contact information. Keep it friendly and respectful. Leverage your mutual connections. If you have mutual friends, ask for introductions. This can create trust. Explore third-party tools that can help find contact information, but use these wisely and ethically. Always remember to respect privacy and abide by data laws. Ethics in networking is paramount. To wrap up, we've covered various methods to retrieve contact information, with a focus on ethical practices. Happy connecting!